Hi, I'm Gary and I'd like to introduce you to this new drywall cutting machine called the Wallboarders Buddy. This ergonomically designed, user-friendly tool is capable of scoring and measuring a sheet of drywall to any length or width without the use of a measuring tape, utility knife, drywall square, chalk line, or any of the ripping tools on the market. First, what I'm going to do here is I'll give you a demonstration of the features of the tool, and then we'll show how it works. If you come over here, first what we have is we have a pivoting cutter head. The pivoting action forces the blade out. When you release the pressure, the cutter head goes to a neutral position and retracts the blade inside the body. In order to change the blades, you flip this switch up into the unlock position to press the cutter head. When the blade's extended, remove it, turn it around, put the sharp side in or put in a new blade, force it in, release it, and then lock it back into position. There's blade storage on both sides, and the tool is capable of holding 6 to 8 blades depending on the blade thickness. There's a cam lock here. If you just unlock it, then the tool will freely slide up and down. Just locate your measurement on these red indicators. The scale is based on the 2-foot increments that drywall is manufactured in. So if you're doing a width cut, you have from here 0 to 24, and on this side 24 to 48. For length cuts, you've got inch measures for a length cut from an 8, 10, 12, and 14-foot sheets. Then if you're measuring in feet and inches, you just go to even foot measure. If you're measuring 6'7", let's say, and you know you're cutting that from an 8-foot sheet. And up here we have odd foot measure. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate the tool in action. So first thing I'm going to do is take 12 inches off the width of this board. I'll set my cutter head at 12 inches. Rest it on the edge. Down when you get to the end, just pull it back for the last little bit. Now I can cut the other side. Just lean the board up against me. That'll be our width cut. I'm going to do a length cut of 81 inches. So I set it on 81. From the top of the sheet down to the floor. Go up for the last little bit. Now I can cut the other side. There's our length cut. Okay. I'll put this sheet on the horses and I'm going to cut this into a series of 6-inch strips. The nice thing when you score both sides is you get a very clean cut, and I can run this tool with its rounded corners down this snapped edge here. Same thing, run it to the end. That's the first 6. Second 6. Set it at 12 inches. One of the nice features of the tool is you can use it left or right-handed. Ambidextrous tool. Six, 12, 18. When you're scoring the drywall, don't press the blades in real hard. You just have to lightly score the paper. 24. Okay, now I'm going to turn the board over unscore the other side. When you're flipping the boards, just keep tension on the unscored side. It won't snap at you. It'll snap on you. A little bit of pressure there. Same thing again. We'll start with the 24-inch cut. Notice I'm hardly pushing the blades in at all, just a light score. So 24, 18, 12, and the last 6-inch cut. More on this side. That's it, it's scored, and now it'll just easily snap. That's it! Wallboarder's buddy. Every boarder needs a buddy. Seriously.